In this video, you will learn how to build a business and make money on the side while working a full-time job. If you are new to my channel, my name is Unwana Udo, I am a banker and an online entrepreneur. My channel is for people interested in personal finance and building wealth. Are you prepared to dominate your personal finance? If so, check out my latest personal finance course called Personal Finance Domination, the link is in the description below. So, you've decided to start your own business. That is extraordinary. However, where do you start? If you are going to buy a television set, you don't settle on the first one you see. To ensure you don't wind up with a lemon, you do your homework on the retailer, the brand name, the price, and the after-sales service. Starting a home-based business is no different. If anything, it's far more important. As you mature in life, it becomes more imperative to secure your financial future. Second jobs have become commonplace for those seeking additional income. But with that comes extra traveling and associated expenses, longer workday hours, additional stress, and less family time. The alternatives to earning additional income, whether on a part or full-time basis, is to seek out a suitable home-based internet business opportunity. If you are reading this, then you obviously have the main tools required to start. A computer and the internet. But beware, success in a home-based internet business will not happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and commitment to make it work for you. So, don't fire your boss yet. Home-based internet business, or home-based internet earning opportunities, are growing in number by the day. So, finding one is the easy part. Finding the right one requires research. So, let's look at some homework tips for you. Do a Google search selecting keywords such as home business, work from home, earn income at home, earn income on the internet, etc. It's time-consuming, but it's a start. A Google search will also be useful in searching out online entrepreneur magazines. Both will lead to finding a multitude of home-based internet businesses. You will then have an idea of the various products being marketed online. Physical and digital products can both be very lucrative, but only you can determine the most suitable product niche to fit your comfort zone and expertise. As well as this, you will need to work out a budget. What can you afford to spend on your home-based internet business opportunity? Never exceed that budget unless your business is making a profit. Ask family, friends, and relatives. They may be involved in a home-based internet business and can provide information on how they went about sourcing it out and as to whether they have had any success. Online forums involving those already within the home-based internet business community provide your greatest insight into online income earning opportunities. After all, they have been there and done that. Joining the forums allows you to access various topics relating to home-based internet business opportunities, to read information, and to ask questions of other experienced online marketers. They are very close-knit communities and will welcome you warmly. Once you have found a few sites of interest, read all the information you possibly can on the home-based internet business opportunity. Make sure you understand the nature of the business, your responsibilities and actions required, and, most importantly, your possible financial expenditure. Place more faith in those webmasters who disclose who they are and who provide genuine contact details. You can always head back to the forums mentioned above and ask questions too. More than likely, a forum contributor has experienced or may well be involved with the home-based internet business opportunity you are interested in. Generally, if something looks too good to be true, it is. So, do your homework and reduce your chance of failure. Here are 5 steps for your home-based business to save you time and money. Number 1. Choose your hours. Decide how much time you will be able to invest in your home-based business. To be honest, there are many new business owners who never make it because they're not willing to invest their time. If you work a full-time job and plan to keep it while your home-based business grows, then you should determine how many hours you can spend working. Can you invest a few hours per day or week perhaps? Once you choose your hours, stick with them on a consistent basis. Treat the home business just as you would a store with operating hours. If you open a store from 9 to 5, then someone must be there during those hours. So, if you plan to work on your new business from 8 p.m. until 11 p.m. 5 nights per week, then let this be your operating hours. Number 2. Choose your business. Even if you plan to start a business selling products of your own, you might find it useful to join with a company to sell their products to build an extra income at first. You can even do both if you can invest enough time and effort into both businesses. Choose a product or service that you enjoy selling. No business is fun if you dislike it. The more you enjoy it, the more likely you are to be successful. With the internet, MLM businesses are building downlines like crazy. This is the perfect opportunity for you to earn some extra cash or even a substantial income. The reason MLM businesses are so profitable online is that it is so easy to contact people by email and through your own website. Some MLM companies even do most of the work and contacts for you to save you time and money. Communication is very easy online even if you're not really a salesperson. If you plan to join an MLM group, be sure to choose a reputable company that has been in business for at least several years. Ask to speak with others who have worked with the company for a while. Check with the Better Business Bureau online to be sure there have been no complaints. There are many scams online today, so sign on with a well-established MLM company to be safe. Number 3. Prepare your home-based business workspace. Before you start a home-based business, be sure your home office is set up. You may have to upgrade your computer to a fast one with a super fast internet connection. Also, get an ergonomic chair with plenty of back and arm support. Choose a keyboard and mouse that you're comfortable with and organize your desk. Working in a well-organized environment clears your thinking so you can work and promote your business without distractions. Number 4. Investing your money. Before you invest a dime, be certain it's the right business for you. When selling products for others, you might be asked to invest money before getting started for inventory, membership, a website, and so forth. If so, study every aspect of the business before doing so. Any business startup will require some monetary investment, but you need to think before you invest. Once you've chosen a business to invest in, set up a budget solely for your business. Having a business account at your local bank will help. Also, set up an account with an online payment processor if possible. PayPal, Stripe, and Square are some of the most popular ones online right now. If signing on with an MLM company, find out how they issue their payments first. Number 5. Apply your talents and skills. Whether you sign on with an MLM company or start a business selling your own products and services, remember to use all your talents and skills. Maybe you're great at typing or very savvy on the internet, or perhaps you know how to design websites, print flyers, or promote online. Use your talents to maximize your home-based business profits. Don't just sit at home and dream of owning your own business. Apply these 5 startup tips to get your home-based business moving today. If you found value so far, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more great content. Also, make sure to sign up for the Personal Finance Domination course while the price is still low for a one-time payment of $27, with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Hurry while this price point lasts. The next videos on the screen contain information you will love. Click to watch them now and I will see you there.